Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book has been a classic in personal finance for nearly a century, and its timeless lessons continue to be relevant and valuable today. Overview of the book. The Richest Man in Babylon is a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon that illustrate the principles of wealth and financial success. The book's central message is that anyone can achieve financial independence and prosperity through disciplined saving and wise investment. 7 Principles of Wealth. The book outlines 7 principles of wealth, each represented by a different character in the parables. We will discuss one by one. 1. Start thy purse to fattening. This principle emphasizes the importance of setting aside a portion of your income for saving and investment. Clason suggests setting aside at least 10% of your income each month. This regular habit of saving and investing will help your wealth grow over time. 2. Control thy expenditures. This principle focuses on the importance of living within your means and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Clason encourages readers to create a budget and stick to it, so they can make sure their spending is aligned with their financial goals. 3. Make thy gold multiply. This principle encourages readers to invest their savings in opportunities that have the potential to generate a return. Clason emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge and wisdom when it comes to investing, and avoiding high-risk investments that could lead to loss. 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. This principle stresses the importance of protecting one's wealth from potential loss. Clason advises readers to diversify their investments and avoid putting all their eggs in one basket. 5. Ensure a future income. This principle encourages readers to think about their long-term financial future and plan accordingly. Clason suggests seeking out investment opportunities that have the potential to generate passive income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. 6. Increase thy ability to earn. This principle focuses on the importance of continuous learning and personal growth. Clason encourages readers to seek out opportunities to acquire new skills and knowledge that can increase their earning potential. 7. Learn to live on less than thou earnest. This principle emphasizes the importance of living below your means and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Clason suggests living on 90% of your income and saving the remaining 10% for investment. By doing so, you can build wealth and achieve financial independence over time. These 7 principles of wealth form the cornerstone of The Richest Man in Babylon, and provide a roadmap for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve financial independence. By following these principles, readers can take control of their finances, secure their financial future, and create the life they desire. Key takeaways. Some of the key takeaways from The Richest Man in Babylon include the importance of setting financial goals, creating and following a budget, investing for the long term, and avoiding debt. The book also emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge and wisdom when it comes to managing one's finances. Relevance today. Despite being written nearly a century ago, the lessons of The Richest Man in Babylon are just as relevant today as they were then. In a world where personal debt is at an all-time high and financial literacy is at a low, the principles outlined in this book provide a roadmap for anyone looking to take control of their finances and achieve financial independence. Personal experience. Host. I personally found The Richest Man in Babylon to be a very eye-opening and inspiring book. It helped me to understand the importance of living within my means, saving for the future, and investing wisely. I also appreciated the clear and simple language that Clason uses to convey his message. Practical tips. If you are interested in applying the lessons of The Richest Man in Babylon to your own financial life, here are a few practical tips to get you started. 1. Set clear financial goals and create a budget to help you achieve them. 2. Prioritize saving and investing, and avoid unnecessary debt. 3. Seek out knowledge and wisdom when it comes to managing your finances. 4. Stay disciplined and stay the course, even when the going gets tough. In conclusion, The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason is a timeless classic that provides valuable insights and practical advice for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve financial independence. I highly recommend this book to anyone looking to take control of their finances and secure their financial future. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great